what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the
Hey y'all, and welcome to a new video. In today's video I am going to be cleaning for 2 days, and then on the second day it is going to be a grocery haul, as well included as our stockpile downstairs, to let you guys see how we store extra food. And like I said in previous videos, you guys, make sure you are stocking up on your water, your canned goods that you could just eat straight out of the can, and things of that nature. But if you are new here, my name is Courtney, and on today's video and on this channel, I like to clean, cook, grocery hauls, take you guys along with me if I have things that I have to do or errands that I have to run, and just showing you guys how I like to stay on schedule and on top of things in my home so it doesn't get overwhelming. So here I am right now getting ready to make the bed, of course. I always like to start with the bed to just get my day started. So if this is content you like, I hope you stick around, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I post a new video. Hit the thumbs up and share, guys. Thank you so much for being here, and let's go ahead and get into it.
Don't want nobody else around. When I'm with you, baby, nothing really matters. So like think, baby, there's no doubt. Spending hours over at your place. Every night, hold me tight in your arms. Wanting more of you. Do you feel it too? 보고 싶어, wanna take a night. Honestly, I'm wanting something safer. 말해줄래, tell me what I want. Can't keep going on like that. 오늘 정해, leave 우리 사이엔 gamble. 시간 낭비하기 싫어. Please don't. I'm wasting my time on you. 이제 정해, leave 그만할래. Gamble. 나를 잃기 싫어. Please don't.
So I was feeling crowded, guys, in the house, so I just started decluttering on this day. I got rid of books that the girls just outgrew. I got rid of this little container stand that was in here storing the books. I just got rid of a whole bunch of stuff that wasn't needed because Christmas is coming up as well, and so I needed to make space for the new toys and things that were going to be coming, and getting rid of this stuff. But these books and things, they did outgrow. I did keep a few of them, just some ones that we just got from the book fair a couple of weeks ago. So I wanted to go ahead and keep that stuff and get that organized and get rid of things that I know that we weren't going to be using. I did switch around some things in the room as well, just to give it a like a little change in there. And then I got this bed cover that's on their bed from Walmart. I put that in a previous video. It was on clearance for $9, so I got 2 of those for the girls' rooms. And then I did end up getting the black curtains to change their curtains, but I didn't change anything else other than like the wallpapers or nothing like that. I did leave up their posters and put up the new posters that they got from the book fair as well. Okay, y'all, this is day 2, so I wanted to go ahead and start with the bed, of course, get that made up, and then we're going to continue on to go downstairs and get the grocery haul situated so I can show you guys what we end up getting. Our groceries did come up to almost 3 grand. Ooh, y'all, prices are just ridiculous. I feel like it's just going up continuously and it's putting a dent, but they know that we are gonna live and we got to live and supply and provide for our families, right? So it's just crazy to me how much things have just escalated and gone up and are really staying there. But nevertheless, we are still getting the bed together and we are gonna head down after we get done here. Started on this grocery haul, so I'm gonna start this end down here and then make our way over through the chairs, the floor, the counters, and then we'll head back to the table and everything back over that way. So we're gonna start. I actually started this end. We got French toast sticks, Texas toast, these chicken fajitas, John Soul Foods, chicken breast strips. I love these for like an easy night. They already have the seasoning on them, but I do add a bit more seasoning to them. Angus beef ballpark hot dogs, buffalo style boneless chicken bites, country fried steak, some smash burgers, 2 boxes of those, 2 of the Hampshire Farm beef smoked sausages, some of the fully cooked premium thick cut double smoked bacon, also 2 of the thick cut natural hardwood smoked bacon. Then we got 2 things of the chicken thighs, Jenny O turkey, a thing of pork, Jimmy Dean pancake sausages, 2 boxes, 2 packs of shrimp. We got some tilapia hamburger buns. We came over here, got some Angus beef, steaks. We got some Angus beef patties, chicken breast tenderloins, Jimmy Dean sausage links, chicken breast. I couldn't take these out of the box because they were leaking, but we did get some beef stew meat and 2 things of the pork bone-in country style ribs. All right, so we're about to head over here potatoes, onions, Eggo waffles. We so needed some more pancake mix. The kids have been asking for pistachios. Got some of those. Got 2 things of the drumstick ice cream, and then he did get him some sneaker ice creams. Jack's Pizza. 2 of these beef sticks, turkey sausage sticks, frozen fruit, green beans, broccoli, 2 things of corn, and mixed vegetables. We do have some non-machine noodles, 3 packs of them. These go like crazy. The kids love them. Velveeta snack packs, 2 boxes of the Ritz crackers, 2 boxes of the fudge stripe cookies, the Lance variety pack of crackers. We got a box of Cheez-Its and then 2 big bags of Cheez-Its in this box. Buttered popcorn. We got some Fruity Pebbles, Fruit Loops, 2 boxes of each. We got dip for chips. Then we got Cinnamon Toast Crunch, 4 boxes. Lucky Charms, Crunch Berry, 3 boxes. Captain Crunch. Then we have 2 bags of Funyuns, Animal Crackers, Famous Amos cookies, 3 bags of the Chester hot fries, 2 bags of the Simply White Cheddar Puffs. Those are my favorite snack. Got some Skinny Pop corn. Kids love that. Skinny popcorn. Pop chips for me, of course. I love those chips. They are amazing. I love to snack on these as well. The On the Border cafe style chips. I just like them plain. But there'll be sometimes I want cheese or salsa. So we have 3 bags of the sour cream and onion, 2 bags of the barbecue, 2 bags of the wavy original Lay's, a regular classic Lay's, 2 bags of those, and then we got the Flamin' Hot, 3 bags of those, and then we got party size Takis. Okay, French fries, fish fillets. So I use these. These are really good. The other night, I made fish and chips, but I didn't have to make it all from scratch. So those are really, really good. So fish and fries is what I made. They call it fish and chips in England. 3 bags of the plain Ruffle original chips, M&M's, Starburst. We did get 4 things of vegetable oil. And I'll go to the non-food items in a minute. Oh, I forgot to tell you, we did get meatballs back there. My bad, y'all. So now we're on the table. We did get Chef Boyardee. We got some thin spaghetti, Nutella. I have missed my Panera mac and cheese. I really missed it. We got some Southern style potato salad for dinner tonight. Kerrygold butter and country crock, 2 things. We got some Philadelphia cream cheese. Heavy whipping cream. Kraft sliced cheese. We got 4 bags of the 2-pound Mexican style shredded cheese. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Lunchables, ham and turkey, and then pizza, extra cheesy, and pepperoni. Yeah. Okay, and then we got 2 of the Go-Gurts. Quick snack for the kids to grab and go in the mornings. Activia yogurt, 2 things of the Danimal yogurt. Box of the Rotel, 8 cans. Then we got sweet peas, 2 boxes or 2 packs, 16 cans. What is these? Green cut beans, we got 2 boxes. The corn, we got 2 boxes. We got some Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage. Really goes good in like pasta recipes. I love to use them in, or soup. Goldfish, top ramen chicken noodles for the kiddos. We got some cream of mushroom soup and cream chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Then we got 2 boxes of the Rice Krispie treats. Those classic mix. You know, classic mix. It's got Oreos, Chips Ahoy, Teddy Grahams, cheese bites, and Nutter Butter bar cookies in there, and then Chips Ahoy, Pam, Nutri-Grain bars. These cakesters, the hubs picked up the Oreo cakesters, 2 packs of Oreos, 2 things of fruit roll up. We got some Pop-Tarts, 2 boxes. We got, these are my favorite to snack on. Oh, I love these. They're only 7 grams of sugar, only 100 calories. These are so good. I love them. We got some Mott's fruit snacks, Skittle fruit snacks. These are new in Sam's, guys. New alert. We got 2 of the Member Mark fruit snacks, the fruity snacks. We got 2 packs of the Gushers. We have some Forest ham. Then we got 2 packs of the 1.25 pound of ham. Then we got the Honey Made. I love these with peanut butter on them. Ugh, I might even eat that for breakfast. These are so good. Which is great. Jelly, Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, tomato ketchup, creamer. My husband loves this creamer. We got some Ready Whip, and then we got 2 things of the Hidden Valley Ranch onion soup mix. We've been using this a lot lately. It really comes in handy, especially on like soupy days. We grew up on this, y'all. We would eat some of this with rice, toast, and that'd be a meal growing up. But I told the hubs, like, please get these because these are so good and you can eat them straight out the can. If any emergency comes up, which there probably will be, you guys, so just make sure you are highly stocked on things. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. We got some beef broth, Spam, 6 cans of the pinto beans, spaghetti, and Chef Boyardee. So people call it panic buying. We don't call it panic buying. We call stock up because we are a family of 8. So we're going to do that regardless. But you want to get things like Chef Boyardee, things like the pinto beans, things out of the can that you can just pop open and eat without having to warm up. But if you have a generator, I'm sure you probably won't have to worry about it. Make sure you're stocked up on gas if it runs up on gas. But it's just so many things. So here are the non-food items. We got batteries, definitely stock it up on these, AAA and AA. These tabs, I think I take these every day. Centrum, my vitamins, calcium, London's fiber gummies, omega-3, hair, skin, nail gummies, and then Centrum Women. And then that's it, you guys. So this was about $2,900. Yeah, this goes up and up and up and up and up. $2,900, but we needed these things. We did get extra because we know how our kids eat. Especially we have 2 footballers and their appetite seems just to cease. It amazes me, but we're about to get this stuff done. Put up. I wanted to show y'all like our stockpile. This stuff the husband is gonna put up. We just brought it down to get it out the way. And then he's just stocking things up here, down. And this is just our overflow area and extras. Because like I said, we'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So that's what we are getting done now, and I'll show you once everything is done.
wanna give you a million things, cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again, something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belong. If I could, I would give something new. Then I would have what it takes, make you feel like you're safe. Cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. You don't have to feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. And we don't have to think about it.
Okay, y'all, so I am going to be ending the video with some ironing. I had to iron a few clothes for the week and get those hung up. The girls did hang up their ones because they were home on this Sunday when I got it done. So they will be hanging up their little things. I did get their clothes and church clothes for the week as well. So it didn't take me long to get everything done. It was just getting it done was the hard part. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing, hitting the notification bell, liking the video, and sharing it. As always, you guys, be blessed. Love yourself because you are so worth it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Cause all you need is somebody. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Someone like you. Let me be right by your side, cause I know that this is